Hey guys, today we are working on a mini split. It has a leak. It was installed by someone else, but I'm coming out and checking out to see why is it leaking. It's leaking down the wall. I'll turn it off the remote first, get a remote. All right, so I'm gonna turn it off. All right, mini split off. And power, right here, off. Now, verify that there's no power, so we can get the front of this bad boy off and see what's going on the inside. All right. Now you can tell we've been getting condensation here, coming straight out the hose there. Grab a multimeter and verify, but I've already verified this before, but just to be safe, I can pull the disconnect, put it up top. All right, now, back inside we go. Lift that cover up, it kind of pops there, clicks. All right, now, gotta disconnect this plug from the display and second control panel and board right here. Moving this entire cover off of it. Second clip right there. Just put it back in its hole slightly. Disconnect that from the display, like I said. Two little prongs on the outside. Just gonna push them. It's gonna pop out. Disconnected. Pull it out of this little slot here. Back. Now we can pull the top off. Okay. Little thermostat. To the side where it can come out as well. Now, this is key. We got the 4 screws on the bottom. Then you have these clips right here. You see the water coming out of the wall right now. So this, you need an extender, Phillips head screwdriver. Oh wow, that's a lot more water than I thought. All the same, so it's 5 total screws. Take those, set them right here to the side. Actually, you're gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. You get my point, you can use a flathead screwdriver, anything small, kind of just pry those with, even a pocket knife. Now that popped off, nice and slow. Up. Just like so. Removed it carefully. Put it to the side, the other way. All right, now we can see, show you. Oh wow. So this one goes opposite of where I normally put them, which is out the wall here. This one actually goes out the wall on the far left side. Sorry, I didn't have the view there, right? So, that being said, here's our problem right here. Bam. Look what's leaking. It's not leaking, it's sitting here sweating and has nothing on it. It's the high pressure line going out to the heat pump, your outside system. This may be more simple than I planned. We're gonna get this nice and wrapped up with some Armaflex or cork tape, which is insulated tape. And I think we have fixed the problem. We will check and we shall see. Always have that nice, once you verify there's no leaks, the hole going out the wall, make sure that it's nice and foamed or siliconed in. But like I said, I personally would not do that until you verify there's no leaks and it's running for a while, okay? Because you don't want to have to cut back through all that if you have a leak on one of your fittings. All right guys, so I have the insulation, Armaflex. We're gonna put around there. Also have a few zip ties. And it's another option, some insulated tape. I would rather put this around it. This is some high quality, thick Armaflex. You can pick it up at any HVAC supply, even probably Home Depot or Lowe's. I get it from Cover and Supply. I'll cut this piece as long as I need, which looks to be about 3 or 4 inches, right? Maybe a little more. That way, right down the middle, or you can go around it. I'll go around the pipe now. I'll wrap it around. It's gonna be kind of hard to get to it, especially with this thick Armaflex, but I'll give it a shot. I don't know why I did not bring the GoPro. Once again, it's so much easier to edit from my phone. I'm working on better equipment and stuff. I don't have anybody to work for me on any of my channels to film or anything. It's just usually me and my son. One of my 2 sons, with the 3rd one on the way. Or the wife helping. So work with me, please. Wow, both lines, the suction and the discharge line, are both not wrapped efficiently correctly. And that's a mistake that can easily happen on any kind of install, especially a mini split. There's a lot of pulling and pushing going back and forth. You see, that's one reason why you want to go out the right side of the wall if you can help it. Don't always work out like that. That way you can go straight out the wall, straight down. And you ain't got everything crammed in there together. Electrical. You've got your refrigeration line set plus your drain line. But you can't always do that due to location and centering up the inside unit and outside unit. So you have to do what you have to do. I'm gonna have to pull this stuff off the wall just to here. Well, the drain line's not insulated all the way either. I have to clip this video and I'll show you what I did to fix this. It's pretty obvious, but you're gonna want to stick around to see how I got this done. Okay guys, or ladies and gentlemen I should say, we have actually went ahead and fixed this bad boy. I have put everything back on. I had to insulate, not just I can't really pull it off right now, it's running, but I would like to show you, to give me a second here, work with me. I 100%, as you can see up in there, I insulated everything with, well, basically it's pipe insulation. It's Armaflex and cork tape. I wrapped around the drain line, which was uncovered, the high pressure and low pressure, suction and discharge lines of the mini split here were completely uncovered during installation. All that got pulled back and it was sweating and it was coming down the wall. The drain line didn't have no nice slope going out, so we got that going down through here behind here. It's got a nice slope on it, and look, y'all check this out. Y'all gonna love this. I'm about to put the screws back in this bad boy, and the reason why I kept these screws out is because you can check this to verify that you have actually fixed your problem, because you know that when you pull this tray back right here, all that water, if there is any, you'll be able to feel it, and it's gonna come dripping down the wall. So I didn't screw everything back in yet. Gonna do that here in a minute. All those little holes right here. I'm gonna screw them back in. I'm gonna call it good to go. Another reason I know that's good to go is because of the outside. Y'all stay with me, watch this. I'm gonna bring you outside real quick and show you the difference in what we have outside. Hang tight. It is absolutely crazy. So, look how much this thing's dripping now, huh? Like a friggin' water faucet, huh? Look at that. Look at that, huh? Beautiful. So, look, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Just remember to always check when you're installing your mini split and make sure everything's always 100% sealed up, that any insulation did get tore. And that's that pretty much. Hope y'all liked it. Please do hit that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. See more videos like this. Mr. Multicraft on YouTube. God bless y'all. Peace out. Later.